You may wonder, how much money did YouTube pay me in my first month of being monetized? Is walking videos at YouTube a business? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Helsinki Walks. Today I have an exciting video for you all as we delve into my journey as a YouTube creator and the money I earned in my first month of monetization. In June, the first month I was fully monetized, I received 22,200 views, gained 918 watch hours, and welcomed 93 new subscribers. One of my videos took the lead and became the highest earning one for the month. Highest earning video got me €9.24. It was published the 17th of June, 2023. The video is titled, Steamy Helsinki Summer Afternoon. Welcome to the capital of Finland. The second highest video got me €4.77, and it was a summer walk video in the city. In my first month of YouTube monetization, YouTube paid me €35.46. So, €35.46 is roughly $41.70. In my first month of monetization, I received €1.18 from YouTube Premium and €34.17 from the videos themselves. Wrapping up, my first month of monetization on Helsinki Walks earned me €35.46.